Nice.
It's obviously it was a very difficult tie playing here in Kingston, but I know that we're tough. Randy played extremely well. They always say he's the best kickoff leg in the world. So for him to start us like that, takes a lot of pressure off of my shoulders. I could play freely, and that's what I did throughout. So, and I knew that if I didn't win today, Randy was going to win. So that's also a load off my shoulders.
So what you thought about how you played today? You seem to be, you were very patient.
Yeah, I wasn't going for as much winners. Of course, it was windy, so I can't really play my normal big serve, big forehand thing. But I used my brain and I played really smart. So happy about that.
Randy was just incredible overall. Blaze never played his best tennis, but fought very well. And Daniel, in the doubles, these guys did their best, give them an opportunity to get their feet wet, and the whole team did well.
Do you think you take a chance playing those two in the doubles and you close it off with our two best players?
I'm looking at development, and truthfully, I think I wanted to save the energy of the 1 and 2 guys. So I knew Tam would be a much tougher match today, and he did prove so.
Weird wait for a match to end, but I think Jamaica will take it, right?
Yes. We're just happy for the victory. It's an unfortunate way for a match to end always. You don't want to see someone losing their temper like that. But at the end of the day, as a sports person, you have to keep your calm in high pressure situations. And so it's unfortunate, but we're really happy to get a victory. That's what we came here for.
Big celebration. This is the furthest we've ever reached, I believe, in a very long time. So yeah, in the history of Davis Cup. So we're excited to keep moving forward.
It certainly is not, let's say, the end we would have wanted or how we accomplished the victory, but I think Blaze was already clearly about, he was in, we're confident about that he had pulled off the victory anyway. But yeah, we'd certainly take it. It's a great feeling.